Okay, we're back. We're gonna do a little science experiment because we had been talking about weather. And so these are thermometers that we have. And right now the temperature in this room, they both say is 70 degrees. So I don't know if you can zoom in and see the 70. You can see that the red goes right to the 70. Actually, it has an 80 and a 60, and then there's a line in the middle. So that's the number that's in between those. So first of all, I'm going to stick 1. I want you to make a hypothesis right now. A hypothesis, remember, is a good guess. There's not really a right or wrong answer right now. It's a good guess about a question that you have. And then we will do the experiment and we'll find out a little bit more about temperature. So I'm going to put 1 in the ice water. And remember, the chemical name for water is H2O. I wrote it the short way. And then over here we have hot water. And while we're waiting for them, I have a temperature song that I want to do with you. When mercury goes up, it's getting hotter. When the mercury goes down, it's getting colder. Thermometers are weather tools, telling us how hot or cool. Thermometers tell temperature. Check out the temperature, 32 degrees. Liquid turns to solid and water will freeze. Check out the temperature, 212. Water gets hot and it might make it yellow because it's but somewhere in the middle it's 68. Room temperature feels really great. When mercury goes up, it's getting hotter. When the mercury goes down, it's getting colder. Thermometers are weather tools, telling us how hot or cool. Thermometers tell temperature. Everyone can be a meteorologist, studying the weather like how hot or cold it is. Look at the mercury in the thermometer. Down means colder and up means hotter. Don't forget digital thermometers. They are even easier. Just look at the numbers. When mercury goes up, it's getting hotter. When the mercury goes down, it's getting colder. Thermometers are weather tools, telling us how hot or cool. Thermometers tell temperature. Okay, now that you've seen this song and you've had time to think about what your hypothesis is going to be, do you think that the temperature in the ice water, remember they were both at 70, do you think the temperature in the ice cold water, do you think the mercury went down or up? And then over here in the hot water, do you think the mercury went down or up? We're going to see. Okay, it was 70 degrees. I'm going to take it out of the ice. And right now you can see, I don't know if you can zoom in, but it says it's at 40 degrees. So 40 degrees looks like this. Remember, we're starting with the mercury down at the bottom. And 40 degrees is right here. So it's about halfway up, I would say the mercury is. And 40 degrees would look like this, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, we put the capital F. Okay, now we're going to check the hot water. Do you think it went down or up? So in the cold water it went down. It was at 70 and it went down. In the hot water it will go up. I think you're right. Let's see. In the hot water it says it is about 105 degrees, it says. Now that is not boiling. Do you remember what the boiling temperature is? It's 212 degrees, and the freezing temperature is that magic number, 32 degrees, right? So let's go over here and put the mercury on for, you know what, this one doesn't even really go up that high. But here's 100 way at the top. So it would go all the way up here, actually a little bit higher because it was 105. And so I'm going to write 105. And 105 is what kind of a number? Is it a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number? You're right, it is a 3-digit number. And so I wrote 105. So mercury goes up when the temperature is hot and mercury goes down when the temperature is cool.